Okay, we're going to show you our Scepter quick change model now. This came after lots of customer requests, and it's been available for about 7 months now, and still a lot of people have no idea what it is. And we can also share some experience in the field here. But anyway, so this would be our standard Scepter Cell, and the quick change option, you'll see we've got a little extra fitting in there. By the way, it kind of, the first time it goes in just like you normally would, except well, here on this one we don't have the tube to go through, so we don't have to connect to the old wire, but we'll just stick this through here and pull it through like we would normal Scepter installation. Okay, we actually ideally want it to be, just about an inch from the wall to this fitting between here. Anyway, ½ inch to an inch, and then tighten that down real good. Okay, we have a good connection now. We have a cell, and to take it apart, you unscrew this outside nut first. Let that go back. Now grab it here in the middle. You'll see there's like a little piece here in between, and loosen that. We don't want the wire to spin, so that's where you need to hold it. But loosen that, and we got our terminals where our cell leads go in. So we'll just take a little Phillips screwdriver, undo it, and just be careful. You don't want to do it so much that the nuts or the screws fall out. So this one's almost there. Okay, so we have these ends. Now, initially it's a little bit more to get at this, but then from here on out, because we have less cable and everything, the cells are actually a little bit less. So going to change out our cell, what you can do, and especially if your wall fitting is kind of tucked in, just loosen that, and you can pull this out so you can work on it. Okay, so then we just stick our wires back here in the terminals, and make sure we get them real tight. It's always good just to pull on them just to make sure that they're snug. Okay, and here's this piece again, holding it in the middle because we don't want the cable to spin. Just tighten this up and make sure there's a little gasket in here that fits snugly around the cable. Just make sure that's in there properly, not falling out or missing. And here we put this back in. Tighten it up as well as we can. We do not want the wire to spin, so just make sure it's not spinning when you're tightening. Okay, there. It's all nice and snug, and we can pull it back. You want the again about an inch between the wall fitting and this nut here. tighten this up real snug. Make sure you want to see if you can pull on it, but okay, so there we go. We got our cell firmly connected again, and just drop it in like you normally would and you're good to go. Now this option is only available through our website and our dealers. You cannot get this on Amazon or eBay or anything like that. So you won't find them there. But if you go to the hottubwizard.com, you can get them there. You can also find our other dealers. We have an international dealer handling mostly the UK and Europe. Be Spa Components UK, and we have Australia and New Zealand. You can go through Spa Pool Wizard down in Auckland, and they can take care of you there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.